Imagine walking down the lively streets of New York in the 1860s, where the air is filled with the shouts of vendors and the delicious aroma of street food. Among the hustle and bustle, German immigrants are introducing a new treat to the city's curious crowds: hot dogs, sold from simple push carts. Little did they know, they were creating a street food sensation that would stand the test of time. Fast forward to today, and hot dogs are more than just a snack. They're a global favorite, enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. But have you ever wondered how these tasty delights are made? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of a modern hot dog, from its humble beginnings to the finished product that lands on your plate. It all starts with the most basic ingredients: trimmings of pork, beef, and chicken. These are small but flavorful cuts left over from preparing steaks and chops. Rather than being wasted, these bits are ground up, much like hamburger meat, and combined with processed chicken, food starch, salt, and a carefully crafted blend of seasonings. This mix is no ordinary combination. It's tailored to tickle taste buds from coast to coast, with slight adjustments made to cater to regional flavors and preferences. For instance, what might appeal to a foodie in New York could differ from what a hot dog enthusiast in Texas loves. Next comes the transformation stage. Water is added to the meat and seasoning blend, turning it into a smooth, silky batter. To balance out the savory flavors, a splash of corn syrup sneaks into the mixture, adding just a touch of sweetness. More water is then added to ensure the perfect level of juiciness. Once these ingredients are combined, the real magic begins. Giant industrial machines step in to transform the batter into a velvety emulsion. During this process, any air pockets are removed, ensuring that signature smooth and uniform texture we associate with hot dogs. But the story doesn't end there. The emulsion, now perfected, is loaded into long rolls of casing, which are then placed into a stuffing machine. This machine works at lightning speed, filling the casings with the meat mixture in mere moments. In fact, this process is so efficient that a single chain of hot dogs produced could wrap around a soccer field, not once, but twice. That's a lot of hot dogs. Once stuffed, the hot dogs are linked together into uniform lengths and draped onto racks. These racks are then whisked away into a smoky shower that infuses the hot dogs with their irresistible flavor. This step is crucial, as it adds the distinct smokiness that hot dog lovers crave. After the smoky shower, the hot dogs are baked in ovens equipped with precise cooking zones. After baking, the hot dogs take a refreshing plunge into an icy saltwater bath. This step rapidly cools them down, locking in their flavor and ensuring they're ready for the next stage of production. By now, you might be wondering about that mysterious black stripe you sometimes see on hot dog casings. It's not just for show. It serves as a clever marker to confirm the hot dogs are fully cooked and prepared for the final steps. The next stage is peeling, where technology takes the spotlight. In a high-tech peeling machine, tiny knives delicately slit the casing while jets of steam blow it away. This intricate process leaves behind the perfectly smooth and delicious hot dogs we all know and love. It's fascinating to think about the level of precision involved in creating something as seemingly simple as a hot dog. Even after all of this, the process isn't quite finished. Before the hot dogs are packaged, they go through one final inspection. A trained inspector gives each hot dog a careful once-over to ensure it meets quality standards. Only the best-looking hot dogs make the cut. Once approved, the hot dogs are lined up for packaging, looking as flawless as they taste. Factories capable of producing 300,000 hot dogs per hour, or nearly 2.5 million in a single shift, ensure that there's always a steady supply to meet global demand. With such an incredible production process, it's no wonder hot dogs have become a beloved staple around the world. Whether enjoyed at a backyard barbecue, a baseball game, or simply as a quick snack, hot dogs hold a special place in the hearts and stomachs of many. So, the next time you fire up your grill and reach for a bun, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey your hot dog has taken to reach your plate. It's a process that combines innovation, tradition, and craftsmanship, a testament to how something so simple can bring so much joy. Hungry for more stories like this? Hit subscribe, give us a like, and share this article with your fellow food lovers. There's always more to discover about the foods we enjoy every day.